with that. All right, coach. Points shared here. First of all, can you take us through the game?
Well, I think we surprised them this evening. The first encounter we played a low block, and today we play a mid block in there. We kind of surprised them and kind of push them down as much as possible to get early goal. But definitely, I think the latter part of the game, we should manage the game some more. But there's a crucial mistake there and bring back the legs in the game. But I think that game will finish stronger. So I still have to have a lot of.
What was the thinking behind changing the tactical approach for this game?
When I look at a Cavaliers team, I don't like dribblers. And I played 4 dribblers up front today. The run at them at the back line very early and push them back as quick as possible. And I think it paid off, but it doesn't match.
There were opportunities even up to until added time we could have won this game. Clearly, finishing is going to be the key in terms of where you finish in the season.
Well, we are still not worried. I'm still not worried about staying in the league. I think we have equipped ourselves as much as possible to stay in the league, and that is what we are going to do.
And in terms of the transfer market, are you still active?
Yeah, definitely. Still have some more youngsters bringing in to come make it more competitive. Let's get some more points.
Coach, how difficult was it to drop this point? What did it have meant to you to pick up all 3 at this stage?
Well, we wanted to take the 3 points and put up about 8 positions. We finished our 9, but just unfortunate. But we still have a whole lot of game to go. And I said a whole lot of youngsters to come in to boost the spot some more.
Coach, the squad is at the group, the table is still a bit tight. What kind of aspirations are kind of hold at this point in the season?
I must say that we are very, very happy. We are not at the bottom at the table, but I must say that the youngsters are very, very upbeat. The coaching staff are very, very upbeat that we can turn the table around. We just want to get a win, and then we can get a couple more behind.
Coach, comments in the previous picture by technical director of Cavalier, Rudolph, saying that you quote-unquote parked the bus. How important was it today to play your style of football, sweeping style of football from back to front?
Well, it kept Cavaliers today. We're just unfortunate to get 3 points.
Coach, it is said that great leaders are handpicked. You have handpicked your captain. You picked your captain from the schoolboy level, and he has matriculated into the professional squad. How important was it for you as a coach letting him play tonight's game, and how did you feel to see that decision paid off with him receiving the man of the match award?
I think it paid off well after being out for about a month and a half or 2. Very come back. I think he wanted to play in the game before this, but he said no. But I think it paid off today, and he come out of the game very soon. So we are very happy about it.
Okay, Coach, you have one of the best technical wingers in this season's Premier League with Biggs. How do you feel about his performance? We saw that there was an instance where you were beckoning onto him to come off the field, and he was like, no, Coach, I don't want to come off. And then we saw the outcome of that. What was his performance in your eyes?
Well, this is what I want. I want him to be tough and fight for the team. He was camping out there. Definitely have a tummy ache. We should take him up from first half, but I keep talking to him, to motivate him to play and to fight for the team.
Coach, he's able to beat players along the line. We've seen him bring the football all the way from his half to the opponent's half, yet still he's not kicking. What is the mental aspect of his game? What does the coaching staff? How do you guys speak to him? How do you encourage him to kick the football? We saw him score a goal versus Dumboling from his own half. So we know that he has the ability to kick.
Well, I said I'm a keeper in training session. You just have to come out in game time and execute.
Okay, Coach.